Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going over how to rotate the cover on a Cirval 200. Rotating the cover of the Cirval is simple. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a 27mm socket wrench, and a T25 Torx bit driver. The Cirval vent can be in one of four positions. You may need to rotate the cover to the best position for your installation. The first thing we need to do is release the tension on the regulator spring. Remove the cap on the spring tower using an adjustable wrench. We'll remove the spring adjustment nut with a 27mm socket wrench. Completely remove the adjustment nut and the spring. Using a T25 Torx bit, remove the 8 bolts and nuts and set aside. Remove the cover of the regulator head and rotate it to the desired position. Take care not to damage the regulator diaphragm. Now replace the 8 bolts and nuts using the T25 Torx bit. Do not over tighten these as you may damage the screw. Now reinsert the regulator spring, tighten the adjustment nut, and replace the cap on the spring tower. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Check out our channel for additional content on all things natural gas. If you have any questions, our experts are always here to help.